It's the old red courthouse in Dallas, Texas. Look at it. Isn't it wonderful? This is Dealey Plaza. And this is where United States President JFK, John F. Kennedy, was shot some 60-something years ago. Dallas, Texas. What's that?
This is the tower, rain tower. You can go up, it's just $14 or something, and you can see all Dallas.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, it's close, you can just walk in. It's close to where I drop you now.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It's close, just like 5-minute walk. Museum here.
Uh-huh.
This tower, it's right here.
That's the museum over there on the left?
This is here where shot John Kennedy.
Really? Right there?
Yeah. And this tower here.
Uh-huh.
Here.
Oh, the big lollipop looking thing? That's the observatory. Wow, that happened right there. So where was the building that the shooter was in? Texas drivers are crazy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're crazy in Jersey too. New York, Colorado, everywhere. Dealey Plaza. I'm in Texas. Yeehaw. So I got a quick layover here at Dallas in Texas. And I asked them to, I asked the dude to take me over to, what is this called? The Dealey Plaza, where President John F. Kennedy was shot 60 years ago. In, I think it was in 1963. He was shot on, believe it or not, Elm Street. Looks like a little memorial built here. I'll put my bags down and lose the jacket because there's just, it's kind of humid up in here. In Texas. In Texas. We're out here in lovely Dallas, Texas. Birthplace of Dallas. November 22nd, 1963. I was right. President. Let's see. Rifle shots were fired from the 6th floor window near the southeast corner of the Texas School Book Depository, which is right over there. We're going to walk over there in a bit. President Kennedy expired at Parkland Memorial Hospital, 1 p.m. It's nearly bounded by the main. We are right here, I believe. That is where it happened, which is right over there. So we're gonna go walk over there real quick and go see what's up. Hello. God bless. It's a lot smaller than you'd think. The whole area. It's like I'm trying to imagine this. Like that is a crazy shot to make, especially on a moving target. What's that, sir?
That's it right there.
Yeah, I know. Can I go in?
It's closed.
It's closed right now. And
he turns. It's when he looks back.
Yeah. Wow, it looks so different, especially in the videos.
Yeah, because it looks like probably a lot larger.
Is there an X up there too on the street, or is it just that's where he was killed?
No, not here. That's the one he got his throat. Goes to the governor.
Wow, I guess they got to repaint that every now and then, huh?
Yeah, he shot another time down the hill. That's when she grabs him.
Oh, wow.
That's the headshot. We think that maybe come from up the hill. See that picket fence up there?
Uh-huh.
Behind there. That's what's called a grassy knoll in the picket fence.
That's where they think the multiple
Second shooter.
shooters? Yeah, second shooter.
So you don't need one?
Because they don't think that.
What if you Oswald did make it?
So he said there was a second shooter. It's a big conspiracy. But I know for a fact that JFK wasn't even here. He was actually in the Pentagon with me fighting Nazi zombies. So it's that same fence and everything. That's cool. Wow, it all totally different perspective actually being here. It's never how you imagine it, you know? But yeah, that's right there. Kennedy, well, that car, it turned onto this little road right here. Look at that Texas train. That Trinity Railway. Need some money to get to Tahiti. That's a cool building. Yeah, that's that, my cab driver was telling me that, it's like $14 to go up that. You can see the whole city of Dallas. Dallas, Texas. Yeah, I guess they do have to repaint it every once in a while, because look how obscured it is. There it is. He got shot from over there, and then he died right around there. Well, he died in the hospital, but some 60 years ago. What do we got here? There's more plaques over here. I almost stepped on it. Oh, there's another axe. I missed that one. I guess that's where the second shot was fired. Yeah, it's right there. Place run up the hill where he called grassy knoll area. Some witnesses believe shots came from the knoll area. The police found no evidence of a gunman. A wooden stockade fence at the top, rebuilt several times since '63, is a reproduction of the original fence. So that's that. The final leg of the presidential motorcade was to pass through the triple underpass en route. Yeah. So after this, he was rushed to the hospital right through here. Witnessed the assassination and resulting chaos from the overpass. Yeah, so first shot came from the depository way over there. And then the alleged second shot came from over here. Allegedly. What do I know? I wasn't there. But I'm here now. I'm gonna walk down through this bridge real quick. Triple underpass right here. We in Texas, the most rootinest, tootinest in the Wild West. Yeah. I think that's it, honestly. There's not really much more to it. This was a worthwhile detour, though. This was cool to go see. Oof. I forgot my sunglasses at home because I'm a silly Billy. The art is for viewing only. Do not touch. Oh, man. I wonder if that happened right here, I suppose. Ropes, knives. Ooh. Possible not to wonder what broken song in the human heart led to this. What rancid fear tighten the knots, gather the grinning thought. Ooh. You are here now. Remember that this too made America sound your voice. Oh, it's relatively new, 2023. God bless. All right, we're gonna go back to the JFK spot though. Literally standing in a spot where a United States president was assassinated. What's today? Friday? Wednesday, Thursday, no entry after. Wednesday to, okay, so hours are Wednesday to Sunday, 10 to 5. And I got here at 5. Whoops. I had a layover. I didn't get to choose. Do any of us? This is where JFK got shot from. Right there. That window right there, which they keep open. It's just a museum now. And so his convertible was over on that street, and then it made a right on Elm Street and turned into a total nightmare. When he got shot, right around there, there's an X over there. You can't really see it from this angle. And then there's another one down there where an alleged second shooter shot from that fence. What are you gonna do? I don't know who that guy is. Who's that statue? That's not JFK. That's just some guy. Oh, it's Dealey. It's the guy. It's the guy. It's Dealey. He wants to make a deal with you. He wants you to open a briefcase, deal or no deal. And this is his plaza. I'm gonna take one more walk around and then I'll probably call a cab and head back to the airport. There's really not much more to this. Maybe I'll take a walk into Dallas. Walk downtown a little bit. But that's all we got. Another thing worth noting is if you go, Dealey's Plaza's down there. If you walk a few blocks down this way, you got the Founders Plaza. And there's another John F. Kennedy Memorial right here. Little big cube 4-wall thing, or 2 big walled thing that you can go inside. I figured I'd show you, and then I'm gonna walk through the Founders Park over there. Some more stuff we're seeing over here. There's that JFK Memorial I showed you, and there's an old log cabin right here. I don't know what the significance is, but we're gonna go find out. Texas Highway Department, 1936. Penny, what is it worth? Dallas County. Mind your P's and Q's. They explain in thorough detail exactly what this house is. Just kidding. F you. I guess this is the street JFK was driving down, or one down there, I'm not really sure. So peaceful, so quiet. There's really not much more to this whole thing. I mean, you've seen it all. I don't even know why you're still here. Movie's over. Go home.